Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll continue my series where I make a video about every airplane ever built, according to Wikipedia. Rules are in the first video, the one about the three-eye sky arrow. So here comes the video about the Pro-Composites Vision. Now the reason why it's so high up on the list is because apparently it was originally called the AAA Vision, so it's very early in the alphabet, so that's why it's such an early video, even though I'm still in the A part of the alphabet. But anyway, let's talk about it. The Pro-Composites Vision is a two-seat all-composite aircraft built from proven construction manuals designed for first-time builders. Two models are available, the sportier SP model and the extended wing EX version, which is more suitable for high-altitude flying, heavier loads and low-time pilots. Both visions are supplied with the plans. Constructed entirely from the manuals using raw materials or from pre-formed parts, which greatly reduce the build time. The affordable Vision home-built aircraft is the only all-composite plans-built two-seat sport aircraft that uses a conventional, non-canard platform. Experimental aircraft don't have to be tiny. The Vision is a full-size aircraft and can be easily built to handle even the largest pilots. Most of the current Visions are being built with a 44 to 46 inch wide cockpit. Even pilots as tall as 6'5" can be accommodated. The Vision is affordable, but is not the cheapest airplane around. There are less expensive ways to build an airplane, however. The Vision plans will allow you to complete an aircraft that is not susceptible to corrosion or dry rot. With fiberglass and readily available epoxies, the entire airframe can be built for less than $10,000. With a mid-time Lycoming 0235/320 and VFR panel, you could be in the air for under $30,000. This is for a new aircraft built the way you want it. The benefit of plans-built aircraft, and especially the Vision, is that the materials can be purchased over time and according to your budget and spend off completion. The Vision was designed in 1994. Now for some information. The Pro-Composites Vision has a wingspan of 8 meters. It has a maximum takeoff range of weight of 0.8 tons. It has a fuel capacity of 150 liters. I think that's pretty high. I don't know if I read that right. It has a capacity of 2 people. It has a takeoff distance of 200 meters. It has a landing distance of 300 meters. It has a maximum speed of 140 knots. It has an optimal speed of 130 knots, and it has a maximum climb rate of 2,300 feet per minute. Now, why does most of this video sound like a giant advertisement? Well, that's because I took most of the script from the company's website. Well, that's what you get if you don't want me to use Wikipedia, which, if there's any other source, I've said I'm gonna use that, since people don't like me using Wikipedia. Now I think the video is basically done here.
And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.